Statute of limitations means that the time to file a lawsuit is expired and your claim goes away. If you have a 3-year statute of limitations, the statute begins to run from the date of accident, and you've got 3 years to resolve the claim or to file a lawsuit. If you file the lawsuit prior to the expiration of the statute of limitation, your claim is preserved. And the statute of North Carolina in a negligence claim is 3 years. The exception to that would be 2 years in a wrongful death case. The other exception would be if you're a minor child. If you're a minor child and you're injured due to another's negligence, there's two claims. The parent has a claim for the medical bills and any loss of wages, and the child has a claim for pain and suffering and so forth. So you've got to keep your eye on two statutes. The parent's claim for the medical bills, but the statute does not begin to run to the minor child until they turn 18.